Right, so I realise it's been a long time since I've done any videos on the S2000. In fact, any videos at all. So you might remember last summer I was talking about possibly fitting a turbo. Well, as you can see, supercharger's off. I've made a rudimentary exhaust manifold, 4 into 1 2.5 inch. I bought the flange from America, and then you can see I've made a start on the downpipe which just goes round. You can see currently I've got it as far as the bottom of the engine, and here's the turbo that's going to be powering it all. So this is a pulsar turbo g30 770, so it's a 770 horsepower rated turbo. It is a bit of a beast. After doing some research, that's what I've opted for. I'm not going to run it anywhere near that potential. So what's left to do? Downpipe to finish, wastegate. I've got a plumb in here, have a takeoff coming here, and then plumb it back into the exhaust. And coolant lines I've got to sort out, but that's relatively straightforward. The oil drain I've fitted to the sump. I've got an oil feed supply, which you can see will go just in there. So yeah, I'm making progress, but car's been off the road for probably 2.5 months because time is limited. I'm getting married in August, so this has gone way down the list of priorities. But yeah, just thought I'd check in, say I am still alive, and the car, well, will work. Once I've finished, it should be perfect. The only thing I'm thinking at the moment is when I next take this off during the fitting process, I might make a jig up so that I can make a new manifold at another point. What I would have liked to have done is these ports 15-degree angles going into the chamber. I would like to have changed that to a steeper angle. I'll have to look into it whether or not I can do it. And as you can see, I wanted to keep it as far from the ABS unit as possible. Probably could have gone an inch closer, but yeah, so that's where we are at the moment, and as soon as the car is running, I'll make sure that I upload a video. Thanks for watching. If you've got any comments, just fire them in the comments box. Cheers, speak to you all soon.